Alright guys, so today I will show you how to use the Infinity 2K23 free tool. We just released the free tool, it's brand new. You're gonna see everything right here, okay? So I'm gonna teach you how to install. You go to our Discord. This channel will be open for everybody. You just download this file. That easy. Now you quit this. You go to your 2K folder, wherever you download the file. It should be here. You grab these files, you put them in the game directory. You just go in here, put here, here, and here. It will open you this. Okay, so this here is kind of different. You need to go into the game compatibility and run it as administrator right here. If you don't put this, cheat will not work. Okay, so you open the cheat as administrator, of course. You click installlize. This is a beta version. You will see we have most of the features, but we're gonna add in the next days, even maybe today, more features like all animations unlocked. And see, you click run game. It will open the game. Right, so right now we go to the main menu. It will open the menu. As you can see, you can change your style right here, whatever you want. You can put full attributes, full badges, full everything. Like you get all clothes unlocked, all load zones unlocked, and all animations unlocked. It will be soon. You get this right now. You can go auto greener. Auto greener is free right now. This is the micro cheat. It will always be free. You don't need to ask for it or anything. You can change the body type. Takeovers. You have 2 takeovers this year. You can change your park name, banner. That's it. Level 40. You can put that. Custom clothes, this one not working anymore, but custom clothes, we'll fix them by the way. Custom clothes, you can put codes like for your clothes. I hope you know that. And that's it basically. I will just show you everything is working as intended. This here you close the menu with F11, so there. Now for the level 40 to work, you just need to go player appearance. That's it, see? We're gonna add the custom overall change, everything you need to know. Alright, so right now we'll just go to release the free key. You guys have a nice day and see ya.